Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome back to another fun video on the channel. The first one for 2022. Today we'll be checking out the Esports Infinity TWS. These are gaming centric TWS earbuds. So again, they are truly wireless, but they have a dedicated low latency gaming mode, which will allow you to, enjoy those battle royale competitive games on your phone, PUBG, BGMI, Fortnite, whatever you happen to play with the least amount of latency. They also have some other cool features. They retail for about 2,000 rupees on Amazon. In this video, let's check them out. This is my full review. Let's get started. Alright, so let's start off with the unboxing experience, and the packaging on this one was actually really nice. So first things first, when you open up the box itself, you get the two TWS earbuds neatly laid out on the top, and you also get your case, a manual and a warranty card. And the manual is a QR scan, so that means Esports is trying their best to save paper. And you also get a USB Type-C cable for charging and two extra pairs of ear tips. The medium ones that are already on the earbuds, applied from the factory. You also have an option for small and big ones, and that's the unboxing experience. Now let's get to the case and the earbuds, the design and build quality, and how you can set them up. So first things first, let's talk about the case. I actually like the case. It's pretty well built. It's got a really nice hinge as well. Like, the hinge does not shake, does not make any creaking noise, and has that satisfying click, which makes it feel really premium. And you also have a LED indicator when you're actually charging the case with the earbuds on them. So let's say I put the earbuds in right now and close the case, you will get the LED indication that they're actually charging. And once they are done charging, the LED stops blinking, so that's how you know. And as soon as you have connected the earbuds to your phone, you paired them via Bluetooth, every time you open the case, the phone will be automatically connected to these earbuds if your Bluetooth is on. And that's a really nice feature in my opinion, something that you expect from premium buds. And that's because it has Bluetooth 5.0. There is a USB Type-C port on the back for charging. The battery on the case is about 300 mAh, and the buds itself have 50 mAh of battery in total. So that's really nice. And yeah, overall the case is nice. It's got this soft touch, matte coating on top. It does take in a lot of fingerprints and stuff like that. The Esports logo on the top. And yeah, overall the case is nice, easy to carry around, pretty lightweight. Let's talk about the buds itself. On first look, they do have that simplistic look, but then also can be suitable for gaming. They are really nice. Might seem big to you at first look, but I think they're big for a reason. And these ear hooks on these earbuds are really helpful because they provide you a really nice grip and comfort in my opinion. And once they go in, that's a really snug fit. The isolation is really good and helps in a little bit of noise cancellation as well, which is really nice and could be used for working out or a quick run in the morning, and they won't come out. So I really like this. There's no extra hooks in the box, but the ones that are attached are pretty good, pretty universal, should fit your ears really well. You have LED indicators on the buds itself, and you've also got two noise cancellation microphones on each of the buds. One of them is for environmental sound and one of them is for human voice. And now these are not for the listening experience itself, but they're for the calling experience and just the microphone quality in game. And when you call someone, that'll try its best to give the clear sound. And usually it is a complaint with budget TWS earbuds about the sound quality when calling people. So yeah, the call quality on this one is actually pretty decent, and here is a sound test. Alright, so this is a microphone test of the Esports Infinity TWS. And yes, TWS mic quality is usually like this, and this is actually on the nicest side. So yeah, for calls and talking to people in game, this should be fine, I guess. And that's the mic quality. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? So let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the microphone quality on these. But apart from that, these buds are also IPX4 water and dust resistant. So in the rain, they shouldn't be a problem. You can take it out, and a splash of water if you drop them in a bucket or something, no issues at all. Overall, the buds are really lightweight, and they also have the similar matte soft touch coating, so they might take fingerprints, but they're not glossy, so they don't look cheap. So I like the buds, they're built really well, maybe a little too tall, but otherwise they're really good. And talking about other extra feature, they've got touch controls as well. So the basic touch controls will be like, hold for 0.5 seconds to play, and again hold for pause. Double tap will skip the track, triple tap will turn on the gaming mode. Now the gaming mode is a 100 millisecond low latency mode. I really, think that the normal mode itself is really nice, but in games you can take advantage of the gaming mode, and the latency will decrease. Might not be like noticeable, but there is a difference. So yeah, if you're playing first person shooters like Call of Duty or PUBG or stuff like that, you will be able to see the difference when you click the fire button and you hearing the sound. So that's really nice, and that's pretty much it. The overall, the bud itself, the features and everything, I like it for the price. And also quadruple tap or 4 taps will get you the assistant, so that's a really nice feature in my opinion as well. And just coming to the sound quality and my experience using these, I use them for mobile gaming. Obviously I tried editing my videos, listening to music, watching YouTube videos, movies and stuff like that. For content consumption and for gaming, they're both really nice. The instrument separation is really good. They're very balanced pair of earbuds. There's not too much bass on these, and treble is there. It's a very balanced sound, as I said. So vocals are clear, and in gaming and stuff like that, you get that stereo effect where where the action is happening, where the gunshots are coming from, and where the footsteps are also coming from, which is really important in games like PUBG. I am not a PUBG player, but I can understand because I do play a lot of first person shooter games in my real life. So yeah, overall the sound quality on these is really good. Talking about the battery backup, Esports claims a 5-hour battery backup with a full charge, but I think I achieved around 2 to 3 hours, and that's also depending on your volume, on what volume you're actually using the earbuds. Anywhere from 50 to 80%, 2 hours and more should be fine, and you can just pop them in the case and get them charged really quickly. 10-15 minutes of charge should give you a game of PUBG or two, and you can enjoy those. I actually enjoyed listening to music and playing games on these earbuds. And that's pretty much it. That's the design, that's the build quality, the sound and the battery backup and all the extra features it has. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For 2000 rupees, I totally recommend them. The link is down below in the description to Amazon. You can purchase them. That does help the channel out as it's an affiliate link and no extra cost to you guys. I'll also leave a link to Esports official website, so you guys will be able to learn more about these earbuds. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the first one for 2022. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think. And also, let me know in the comments down below if you have any queries, any questions or thoughts about this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome, keep smiling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. थोड़ा एक बार वो बंद कर देना रिकॉर्डिंग और वो किताब देना मेरे को, मैंने कुछ